What's up, YouTubes? Welcome back to Hot Trades. Happy New Week. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. If you're new to this channel, the purpose of these pre-market videos are for me to quickly scan the market every morning for top performing stocks and try to find out why they are performing so well. And I'll also be doing a little bit of technical analysis, taking a look at the charts for all of these stocks to see if they can give us any clues as to what direction these stocks might continue in. So if you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and let's get right into it. This morning, I'm going to be focusing on as Arslan Pharmaceuticals, Apollo Endosurgery, Electrocore, and Socket. Somehow Socket Mobile always finds a way to get in this list, so I'm going to look at it this morning as well. So starting off with Arslan Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol ASLN. These guys are up almost 68% this morning with just below 6 million shares traded this morning. Let's find out why these guys are performing really well this morning. So Arslan Pharmaceuticals announces positive data from the multiple ascending dose study of blah blah blah, whatever this is, right? The name of the drug, in atopic dermatitis. So that's what the drug is for. That's the name of the drug. Not sure what all that means. So let's read a little bit more into this article. Arslan Pharmaceuticals, a clinical stage immunology focused biopharmaceutical company developing innovative treatments to transform the lives of patients, today announced positive interim unblinded data from the 3-dose cohorts of its ongoing randomized double-blind placebo did I miss something? Placebo-controlled multiple ascending dose study of blah 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 for the treatment of moderate to severe atopic. I think I read that wrong somewhere. Atopic dermatitis. So that's what the drug is for. ASLN 004 was shown to be well tolerated across all doses and showed improvements compared to placebo in all efficacy endpoints, supporting its potential as a differentiated novel treatment for AD. So AD again is atopic dermatitis. So that's why the stock is performing really well this morning, because the drug showed positive results for atopic dermatitis. So moving on to the next one, which is Apollo Endosurgery, ticker symbol APEN. These guys are up almost 50% this morning, to be 47.54 to be specific. These guys are trading at 1.34 million shares already this morning, so fairly good pre-market volume again. So why these guys are performing really well this morning? Apollo Endosurgery receives FDA breakthrough device designation for Orbera intragastric balloon for treatment of patients with NASH. I think NASH is some type of hepatitis, so we'll find out once we get a little bit more into this article. A global leader in minimally invasive medical devices for gastrointestinal and bariatric procedures, and now announced today that it has received a breakthrough device designation from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for the Orbera intragastric balloon, specifically for the indication of for use in treating patients with BMI between 30 to 40 kg with non-cirrhotic, non-alcoholic stead hepatitis. So that's what it means. Again, like that's, yeah, so NASH is some type of hepatitis. Never heard of that before. With liver fibrosis. The FDA Breakthrough Device Program is intended to help patients receive more timely access to breakthrough technologies that have the potential to provide more effective treatment or diagnosis for life-threatening or irreversibly disease and conditions. So blah, blah, blah. So that's why the stock is performing really well this morning, because of the FDA approval. So up next we have, let's look at Electrocore. Electrocore, ticker symbol ECOR. These guys are up 38% this morning with just above 8 million shares traded already. So good pre-market volume as well. Let's find out why these guys are performing really well this morning. Electrocore Inc. Announces exclusive distribution agreement with Medistar following regulatory approval in Australia. So let's read into this as well. Electrocore, a commercial stage bioelectric medicine company, today announced that it has entered into an agreement with Medistar, whereby Medistar will serve as the exclusive distributor of the GammaCore Sapphire non-invasive vagus nerve simulator in Australia, supplying therapy to patients suffering from primary headache disorders. The announcement follows the granting of regulatory approval from the Australian Therapeutic Goods Administration (TGA) for the promotion and sale of GammaCore Sapphire family of products. We are delighted to welcome Janet blah, blah, blah. So that there's a little bit more into this article. I don't really want to go through it. Again, the headline is that they announced an exclusive agreement with Medistar, and that's why the stock is performing really well this morning. And then we have one more. Lastly, we have Socket Mobile. Socket Mobile, a lot of you guys have been following this for a while already. Ticker symbol SCKT. These guys are up almost 20% this morning. We're just above 400,000 shares traded this morning. So let's find out why these guys are performing well this morning. So Socket Mobile and Spring Card SAS announced licensing agreement to enable approved contactless customer service. So let me close this. Socket Mobile, a leading provider of data capture and delivery solutions designed to enhance workplace productivity, is excited to announce that it has licensed Spring Card, core contactless technology. Spring Card is a market leader at the forefront of innovative electronic design and development. Its contactless and wireless solutions support a wide range of customers, and from large international corporations to locally focused companies. So that's why the stock is performing really well. Again, somehow Socket always finds a way to perform well. They're always coming out with random news. So that's why the stock is performing well this morning. Let's look at the chart for all of these stocks. So let's start off with Aslan. Ticker symbol ASLN. Again, these guys are looking to open up 71% this morning. It's gone up a bit from the last time we looked at it, so $7.60. So the levels I'm looking at for this stock, so Aslan doesn't actually look that bad. Before this news came out, it was a stock that was already on an uptrend and it was looking quite well. So this morning we are looking to open up around $7.63. So the levels I'm looking for Aslan is $5.50. So $5.50 comes from this previous high right here. So that is the first support I'm going to be looking for, and then if that breaks, I'm going to be watching all the way back down to $4.27. But it's a strong stock. It looks good, so it should continue. That's just my opinion, right? So please don't take that to heart. Again, so for resistance, the first resistance level I'm going to be looking at is just above $8, $8.19 to be exact. So this level also comes from, if you go all the way back, you find that it comes from a previous high all the way back here. So that's what I'm looking for. Again, for support, I'm watching $5.50. That's also a previous high, so there's all of this range in between, right? So just watch every dollar. Again, these are momentum stocks, so please do not just rush in without a plan. Again, I always say do not buy the open, just because you never know. Some guys might decide to sell right at the open and the stock never comes back up, so please be careful. So up next we have APEN, ticker symbol APEN. These guys are looking to open up 46% this morning as well. So let's take a look at this chart, zoom out a little bit just to get a better picture of how this is all looking. Blah blah blah. So APEN looking to open up this morning at $6.85. So, and that is 46% again. So all the way up here, again, the level I'm going to be looking for is $6. So if we can hold this dollar here, this previous high also here at $6.12, that would be a really good sign. Let me just quickly do this. So again, yeah, so $6.12. If that breaks, then I'm going to be watching all the way back down to around $5.44. So let's see if $6 can hold. If we can maybe test it and continue higher, or if we can just continue higher, that would be a really good sign. Again, watch every dollar. It's a momentum stock again, so please be careful. Just gauge and see if the stock shows you that it wants to continue going higher, and please always have a plan, right? Have a stop loss or something in place just so you don't lose all your money. So next up we have Ecor, ticker symbol ECOR. These guys are looking to open up just above $3 this morning. We closed on Friday just above $2, $2.17, and this morning we're looking to open up above $3. So $3, the levels I'm looking for, watching for this stock is, so that we have this level here at $3.08. So that's the first resistance I'll be looking for, and above that I'll be looking at $3.29, and then above that would be a really good sign for it to continue going higher. But for support, we're looking at so let it, like, the best, it would be best if this could hold $3 and continue higher from there. If not, I'll be looking at $2.90 for the first support, and then below that I'll be looking at $2.69. So that's what I'm watching for Ecor. So I'd like it to hold $3 and then continue higher from there. If not, yeah, and then just watch out below. And lastly, we have Sockets, the people's favorite stock. This one likes to run a lot. So this morning it's dropped down a little bit. It's looking to open up at 17% now. So 17% is right here at $12.30. So the levels I'm looking for, if we can hold $12, that would be a really good sign. If we can somehow hold $12, or this 10-day moving average right here, which is this green line right here, if we can somehow try to hold that, which is around $11, and let's see where it is, $11 and let's say 60 cents. So that's where the 10-day moving average is. So if we can either hold $12 or $11.50 and curl higher from there, that would be a really good sign. And yeah, so that's what I'm watching for Socket. Socket is, I don't know, somehow it finds a way to run. So I don't know, keep an eye on this one. So, and again, please be careful. It likes to run up and then drop really hard. So please be careful on this one, just because people like to trade pump and dump this one. So please be careful. Again, with all of these stocks, make sure you have a plan. Make sure you have your stop loss in place, just in case it just drops and never comes back up and you don't want to lose all your money. Again, like most of the time, I like to set a stop loss for like 1% or whatever it's comfortable for you, right? Just make sure you have a plan in place, just in case any of these stocks go against you. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, if you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. And again, thank you.